Steve here with Quantum Magnetics. Here is the new QM universal controller that I've been working on. We've got a LCD panel, a couple adjustment knobs, buttons for interaction, a few LEDs. This little enclosure is real versatile, very useful. Here we can pop open the lid and the back panel, and you can get inside and work on all your wiring or whatever electronics you might put into here. Over back here, yep, that's an Arduino. You guys are going to be able to hack this and make it do what you want it to do. Close it up. We're ready to go. Keep watching. I'm going to have this thing running before long. Thank you.